Hello. Nice. All right, we're working. We're working. We're working. All right. How do let's see. Stream Deck Elgato. I gotta watch a tutorial real quick. I gotta figure out how to do something. Do a little something. Hey Pexton, how's it going? How are you? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I wanted to see how to connect to Motion and Stream Deck. I need to check something out real quick. Damn. Maybe if I do. Cool. Yeah, enjoy the stream. Enjoy the stream. Here we go. I need to see this real quick. I'm just gonna skip to the part where he gets the extension. I wonder if I can't even hear anything. Yeah, I guess the capture card isn't getting the audio here, but whatever. I don't even need the audio. I just need to figure out. He's getting the Stream Deck, okay. And then this is like a software I'm trying to work with. It's called Motion. It's like a little Twitch 3D environment space thing. It seems kind of fun. So there is like a Motion plugin over here. Oh yeah, this is where he got it. What the hell? Stream Deck integration. What the hell? Let me see. I don't have that. Or do I? Or do I? Motion Studio. Virtualized Vapor? What? Okay, maybe I need to listen to what he's saying. I gotta fix the audio real quick. Audio. That'll fix it. I wonder if it's even. I wonder if it's YouTube or what is going on. Sometimes the capture card just stops working with the audio, which is kind of annoying. But let me see. Sometimes I can fix it. Wave out? That ain't working. Okay. Maybe I should upgrade my capture card. I got the cheapest capture card possible off Amazon. And surprisingly, the video quality isn't that bad. But sometimes the audio just breaks. And I'm in shambles. Cause can I turn on like closed captions then? Let me see. Subtitles. All right. Easy to do. Let's go ahead and let's load you into a default room. So at the top left hand side, we're going to have a few options. Okay. Let me go into a room. Oh, I'm in a room. Okay, cool. Dashboard. Okay. Virtualized vapor. Let's see. Is there a plugin here or something? I don't see it. On the right hand side, we can see the rooms that we. What did he click on? Hold up. What did he just click on? Near. What? I don't have that. What is going on? What is this? Chat integration? Okay. Okay, I got pretty real ads real quick. I'm sorry, fellas. Be back in a minute. You may or may not get hit with an ad. We'll see. We'll see. But I gotta figure out what the heck he did over here. Image snapshot, delete, or Clubhouse, interaction. Yeah, I have no idea what just happened. Look at it. Mine doesn't look the same as his does. Unless he installed something to have it set up that way. Let me see. Oh, he already has that in there. Okay, I missed a step. Set up and hit download. Okay. Sure. A few moments later, now we're for instance installed. We're going to be led to this page. A few different actions that you can use your value to different softwares. But if you scroll down to the very bottom, you should not have this option for motion. We're going to need to add this to the Stream Deck, and it's very easy to do. Let's go ahead and let's open motion. Okay. And top left hand side, we're going to have a few options. In tabs, we're going to select the very top left option here, and it's going to take us to our dashboard. Okay, I have to go to the dashboard. Dude, his UI is straight up Motion Studio SDK. That's cool. So everything's different now. Preferences. Oh, here we go. Found it. There we go. Is it? Did something happen? See, I shouldn't have motion in here. Dude, I hate how it's called motion. People are gonna think I'm talking about Notion, dude, and there's no way I'm talking about Notion. Can you program your own Stream Deck with an Metro F7 with a what? A Metro F7 with a micro SD and CircuitPython and put a TFT screen on it? Team Fortress? What? Team Fortress 2 screen on it? Dude, sorry, dude. I stroked out or something on you're asking. Adafruit Metro with a. Okay, dude. I don't know what CircuitPython is. I don't know what Adafruit is. It sounds like a Raspberry Pi or Arduino. Microcontroller. Okay. Well, you can use Python with the Stream Deck. So yeah. And that's what I need is Python. You can map buttons to execute Python scripts, which is kind of what I'm doing already to open ChatGPT. Because I made a script to open ChatGPT on demand and close it. So this button, if I hit it again, it minimizes. If I press it again, it comes back out. I did that with the Python script. So I'm pretty proud of that. Um, you can also like move your windows around. I gotta play with that more. But first, let's install this. Did it work? Motion Studio plugin installed. Okay, cool. Now we are in business. Nice. So how does it integrate is the question. Let me make a Motion folder. Create a folder. Call it motion.tv. I gotta create the simulation. That's what I'm doing. I'm creating the simulation for us so we can live in a simulation. Although we already live in a simulation. Y'all just don't know it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to be the one breaking news to you guys, but we definitely live in a simulation. Let me guys ask you a question. Do we have free will? What do you guys think? How do you guys feel about that? Oh, dude, I just realized I'm streaming to YouTube also, I think. Dude, am I? Oh, snaps. Yeah, I'm streaming to YouTube, but I don't think anybody watches me on YouTube, so... Whatever. Is there anyone here on you? Am I streaming? I am streaming to YouTube. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, well, the chat is up, and the chat box has both YouTube and Twitch chat, but I don't think we're even gonna need it. I'm trying to build up the YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? I have a video coming out tomorrow, and I released one last weekend. Dude, can I shill my video? Dude, I'm about to shill my video. It's my stream. It's my stream. I can do whatever I want. I got to. Okay. Here's my video. My next video is gonna be a lot better. But this one's pretty interesting if you are wondering what a stable programmer is. Basically talk about what hiring managers are looking for in a software engineer. Hiring manager and project manager, I guess technically. Yeah, okay. YouTube video successfully shilled. Where was I? Damn, dude, I had like the craziest stomach ache last night. Dude, that is what happens when you get McDonald's. I almost didn't want to stream today because I don't know if I slept well enough with the stomach ache, but you know what? I'm here, I'm ready to go. But damn, dude, don't eat McDonald's, man. Jesus Christ. Fucking dying, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Those chicken nuggets, they were good, I guess. They weren't even that good, but... Yeah, dude, yeah, I don't know if I can justify eating McDonald's, but... Dude, I just come back from work. I don't want to cook anything. McDonald's is right there, dude. God damn, dude. Don't judge. Don't judge me. Don't you judge me. Okay, cool. I gotta show you this thing I did last night, though. I made like a Twitch extension, which is kind of cool. Well, I mean, like, I didn't make one, but I figured out how to make one, and I have a Hello World. But before I go into that, what was I gonna do? I was just checking if I gotta close all these tabs. Yeah, okay, I'm just checking YouTube, the YouTube streaming. It looks like I'm actually streaming. There's like a live stream view on YouTube. It's way different. This is like, I thought it would be like Twitch. What is going on here? I guess it saves your streams like this, but like Twitch is a lot better, dude. More responsive for one thing, and god damn, stream keys right here, dude. Yeah, dude, this is not, YouTube does not know what they're doing. I could have like dropped my stream key by accident. Oh my gosh, dude, it's like right there. It doesn't even know I'm streaming. What the hell, dude? It's okay. We can talk smack on YouTube. No one's watching on YouTube. We're just gonna talk smack on YouTube streaming. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, I made this. If you're wondering what this panel is, oh wait, it's not even. It's popped out. Okay. I was working on this panel, so it's popped out here, and basically how it works is pretty cool. I mean, it just made Hello World, but let me show you how you actually make changes. I have a VS Code open somewhere, dude. I got so many VS Code open, so many windows of different projects. This is one issue I'm having with Windows is the window manager is not even a window manager. Okay, so we have, it's basically an HTML file. That's basically, I found out that's basically all an extension is. So like, if I want to change the Twitch extension, I just go like, hey brothers. And then it should update if I refresh. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's basically a Twitch extension in 2 seconds. I should make a Fireship video. Twitch extension in 2.5 seconds. Fireship does 100 seconds. I only do 2.5 seconds. Because I'm so busy. Taking a huge risk here. Taking a huge risk here. I'm too busy doing cool shit all day. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding, dudes. We'll see. Actually, I probably will make a quick tutorial. Just because like my tutorials get way more views, dude, on YouTube. Like I have another YouTube channel where I made like a shitty tutorial on my web version. I have 2 YouTube channels basically, and like I made like a shitty YouTube tutorial at my parents' house because I was bored at my parents' house. I didn't even have like a good setup, so everything was kind of shitty. But like this got 7,000 views. So like all I did was like tell people how to set up the app router with Material UI v5, and then people are all like, "Thank you, bro. Hey, great tutorial. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. I have a question regarding the code suggestion. Could you please let me know which extension you are using for that purpose?" Oh, GitHub Copilot. It's an extension by Microsoft. 4 months ago. I'm kind of late to the party, but oh well. Christian Malin says use contract of every module that uses material. If I use your method, can I not use it as to not lose server-side rendering? That's a bit rough. That's a rough question to answer. That's a complicated question to answer, actually. And the answer to that question is you do get server-side rendering, but there are some trade-offs also. Well, whatever's. Enough shielding for now. There'll be time for a shielding in the future, but I guess we can play around with let's see, my clubhouses. You can go. I can show you guys Motion Studio for now. And the way this works is we have a virtual little room here. And you know what? I'm gonna start the waifu also. Let me turn up Unity. Let me go to here. So this is my control panel for the bot. NANI? Is it still online? Ain't no way, dude. I still gotta figure out why, what happens, like why the server just disconnects. The browser does not redirect you. I think, like, because, like, I thought, let me go to my DigitalOcean server, because, like, I made this little control panel just to tell me if my bot's online or not. But, what? It just, like, I can turn it on like that. So it's on. I can just press the button. But, like, it's not supposed to ever turn off. And when I was running it locally, I didn't have that issue. But I think DigitalOcean shuts down something. Like the computer goes to sleep and it just breaks everything. Maybe because there's no traffic coming into the server all the time. I'm not sure about that. I'm not too sure. I have to do some more testing on there. But yeah, that's one thing. And then I gotta turn on Unity so we can see the waifu also. I'm pretty sure DigitalOcean. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. Does DigitalOcean turn off the server if there is no traffic coming in because my program loses its memory after set amount of time? Does it? Dude, ChatGPT? More like Chump GPT, dude. They changed the whole UI on ChatGPT like a couple days ago. It looks a lot different. They added this explore button here. Made by OpenAI. I'll give you recipes. Are these extensions or what? Create ChatGPT. Mocktail. Alcoholics, man. Oh man. Okay. My new chat. Regenerate. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm just gonna let that do its thing. ChatGPT's a little slow today. He didn't get enough sleep or something. Okay, so we got this little world here. And there's like a bunch of little mini games here. This is one of them. And I can basically click on something here. I can go to actions, or let's see. I think if I go to the Plinko launcher here. Okay, cool. There should be a way to add actions. Here we go. Left cat. Okay, so the command is Plinko, and oh, actually, it should be online already. So if we type Plinko1, it should like, there I am, Simulships, but my name's backwards. Okay. That's 1 point for the team Simulshift. Yeah. Okay. Y'all can try that out. Let's see. Yeah, so just like some mini games we can add here, and we can play games. I want to change up the room a bit. I want to make it like a simulation style, so we can like we can make sure we all know we're in a simulation. Let's see. But I want to do that. Okay, dude, my pre-roll deck ad's already done. I got to do another one. Okay, let's do another ad real quick. I'll be back in a minute. Hey, Bigson. Welcome back. Did you get hit with an ad? Because there's an ad playing right now. Oh no, I had to. I didn't have a choice. Bro, I'm sorry. I didn't have a choice. I had to. Yo. Okay. Yo, type Plinko1 and see if your dude spawns here. Type the exclamation mark Plinko1. Do me a solid. Do me a huge favor, bro. Do it for your buddy Simulshift. Plinko? No Plinko. Like this. Plinko. Damn it. Okay, dude. I'm calling this whole enterprise off. Okay, cool. It's working. Alright. So now I just gotta get everybody spam Plinkos in the chat. I recommend control paste. Huh, it didn't go off again? Is there a wait time? Let me see. General. We go to interactions. Oh, command. I don't even see an option for a wait time. Thanks for the rip. I'm sorry. Sorry it had to go that way. You know what? We don't get what we want always in life. Things just happen. But you know what? We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I need to make the sound last longer so I can like make a really sad speech every time someone does that. Okay. What the heck? I thought there would be like a cooldown period, like a way to do a cooldown period in here. But I guess you can spam. Okay, I'm gonna spam the command real quick in the chat, see what happens. Okay, try again. Yeah, it worked. I guess I can spam it. And spam. Trigger overview. Oh, you forgot the exclamation mark. Well, no, that's not gonna work. It's gonna be, you're gonna need an exclamation mark there. Yeah. Oh, well, okay. Let's see. Is the waifu in here? Oh, she is. Plinko. No sound? No, nothing. My chatbot's off already? Dang. Straight up ignoring me. My own chatbot. Let me look at the logs. Straight up. Error. No answer from GPT for prompt. Ooh. Too many questions. What the hell? Dang, dude. ChatGPT, maybe ChatGPT is just down for the count. Look at this, dude. I'm not even getting any response from. Okay, as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, feed. Too many requests, dude. What the hell? I feel like DigitalOcean is also really lagging. I'm just gonna restart it. Let's just restart it real quick. Too many requests? Dude, there's not too many requests. We're not sending you that many requests. My chatbot is just moody. I'm gonna turn it off and not back on. Let's see. Oh, you know what, dude? I moved my Wi-Fi thingy. So maybe it's like slow. I'll move it back to where it was. Okay, I moved it back. Let's turn it off. Closed. And then back on. TMI stands for Twitch. Too much info. Join channel, Simul Shift. Okay. And NANI? Clicking. I'm clicking hard. Blue, I'm your champ bot. The real ChatGPT. Are you fixed yet? No answer.
Sweetie pie. Intersection ideographic period. That good. How can I make your day even more adorable and delightful?
No, bro. No. We did not ask that. Oh my gosh, dude. No answer for a GPT prompt. Did my API token stop working? I gotta debug that. Okay, so it looks like I'm just gonna restart it on the server. Actually, you know what, dude? My server probably needs a restart. I think I ran out of memory because I can't even SSH. Oh, I can. It's just really slow. Let's do an HTOP. HTOP will tell me how much memory my server is using. You see, memory. Okay. According to this, looks like we got... Okay, I can't understand what this means. There's like yellow bars. It looks like we have enough memory, but... Yeah, it looks like we have enough memory, but it feels really slow. It looks like memory is really my bottleneck because the CPU is like 0%. Okay. Free. If we type free, it'll tell me. Free. Memory used free. There's like a bunch of memory free. Is there? It's hard to tell. I'm just gonna reboot this thing. Reboot. Failed. Interactive session required. Failed to open. Dude, my bot. It's got to be out of memory because only stuff like that happens when I'm out of memory. So I got to restart it from the DigitalOcean control panel. Let's go to DigitalOcean. Oh my gosh, you're gonna log in. Okay. Log in. You know what? My internet just feels slow in general. Okay, let me... Whoa, my screen just... Let me go to Task Manager. See what's going on. Okay, my CPU is at 100. That's fun. Oh, snap. Motion Studio ain't messing around here. Motion Studio. Jeez. Oh, man. That explains stuff. Okay. That's kind of crazy. I also probably need to upgrade my computer. Probably gonna get a new computer for Black Friday stuff deals. My GPU's at 100? Oh yeah, Motion Studio. Okay. Damn. Okay. This really takes all my resources. That's crazy. I guess I'll just work on it later. Let me close it. Closed. All right, back to business. GPT bot server. Let me restart it. Can restart DigitalOcean server. I guess we can look at Medium articles. Maybe we can make another YouTube video. How do I start the server? I guess I can just turn it off. Warning, we tried aggressive shutdown. Graceful. Or I can work on the extension. Let's see. Build an extension with Create Red App. Since extensions are such front-end heavy applications, it's common to use modern front-end libraries like React. Oh man, dude, you can't use HTMX. While these instructions are specific to React, they should extrapolate to other similar frameworks. For this section, please already have extension set to local test. All you need to start work is a working Yarn installation that can use Create Red App. Dude, no one's using Yarn anymore. This should take a little while as React gets your development environment set up. If you're unfamiliar with Create Red App, it might be worth running yarn star in the directory yarn created. This will launch server based on the React code, okay? There are two things we need to do to make this work with the extensions. First, we need to add the extension helper that we need to add HTTPS support to our Create React app install. To add the extension helper, just add the extension helper script to public.html. Okay. Public index between body tags. Okay. Got it. Next, set up HTTPS. You can avoid this step in Google Chrome by setting a flag as described previously. If you do that, you can run yarn start now. You'll find instructions for make start running. Get up, save the line script. Okay, I don't need to do that. Next, make modifications to package.json. Run the script to configure HTTPS for anyone who uses your project. Will require. I don't need to do that either. HTTPS true port 8080. Yeah, I don't think I need HTTPS on a local environment. Finally, run yarn post install to install your certificates. Okay, Google Analytics. Check out your cool new Create React extension. Okay, let's do that. Where's my terminal? npm. What was it? Create React app. Create React app. Create React app. Do I have that? Let me see. Twitch. I think it comes with npm now. Nope. npx. How about npx? What am I doing? npm npx create react. Oh, can't type. Create React app, Twitch extension. Okay, that worked. Nice. Hey, I got invited to the closed beta. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. Okay to proceed? Sure. We're installing. We're creating a React app. I guess I should go for the chatbot again. Hey, X-Men Lives, how's it going? Right now I'm working on creating a Twitch extension. Let me SSH back in to the server. If it lets me. Damn, that's slow as heck. Issue. Create project name because of NPM restrictions. Name can no longer contain capital letters. Well then. Twitch underscore? Sure. Yesterday I created the numeric up down. But did you create the numeric up dog? Refactored my text input class so it's all nice like you. Hell yeah. You've been refactored a lot, I can see, dude. I mean, it's rough, dude. The simulation is rough out here. You gotta give yourself updates every once in a while. You gotta improve the game. Okay, we're gonna play one last ad for the stream. Guys, if we get hit with an ad, I am so sorry. Alright, let's do this. I got lost to the train test today. Did you get hit with an ad, X-Men Lives? Give it to me straight, Doc. Did you get hit with an ad? Oh, hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. I basically play an ad whenever the pre-roll timer runs off. There's like a timer here. And I have to play an ad again when this runs out of time. Unfortunately. Otherwise, people get hit with ads automatically, which is even more annoying. Like, you don't want to get hit with an ad right when you join the stream. You know what I'm saying? That's just why is this taking? What in the world is Create React App doing? Creating a new React app and Twitch extension. What the hell? Okay. Well, let's just go to terminal. And okay, I'm back into the SSH connection. Let's do PM2 start ecosystem. This command starts the chatbot. And then once that's on, I actually have to connect to Twitch over here. Oh man, sign in. Can we get a sign in? No, no sign in for us. PM2 logs. We're getting access token. Oh man, dude. Okay, well my chatbot is just ain't having it, and I think my stream got like a little blurry. I guess my Wi-Fi is dying for now. I'm just gonna consolidate resources. Waifu has to go. Operating system. Okay, let's check it out. As of my last knowledge, does not automatically turn on servers if there's no traffic coming in. DigitalOcean provides virtual machines called droplets, and it's up to user to manage and control the server state. If a program is losing its memory after a set amount of time, it might be due to the server's configuration, your application settings, or other factors unrelated to DigitalOcean's server management. Here are some potential reasons why your program might be losing memory. Okay, so yeah, that was about my Twitch bot disconnecting after idling on the server. Look into that later. Why is this not working? Okay, I'm going to try again. My numeric up-down handles text input in number form. Oh, that's cool. In number form, cool. So you gotta like, it takes in a string and then you convert it to an integer. Up-down handles. What's an up-down handle anyway? Up-down. Directory contains files that can collect. Either try using oh my gosh. Okay, let me just delete that whole enterprise. Try again. String to integer. Nice. That's a good one. That's a good one. Right. Time to consolidate resources. I am going to make sure I don't have any videos playing. Okay, that should help. Building dependencies. Let's go back to my task manager. All right, looks like we're good on resources. See what's using CPU. Steam? For real? I'm not even doing anything on Steam. What the hell is Steam doing? I'm closing Steam. I wish string to integer was a bit better, but I did myself. You type the string, converts it to an int, make sure to handle minimum maximum. Okay. Wish it was a bit better. Doesn't it do just what it does? Just take the string, converts it to an integer. All right, dude. I had no idea creating a React app for some reason has to calculate, get every single dependency known to man. Wow. Okay. Just download all npm while you're at it. My goodness. No wonder people give React so much shit. My goodness. Okay. We're good now. Let me open it up. Twitch extension. I like when handling overflow. I would have preferred it if it returned a given minimum or maximum instead of throwing an error that I have to catch. Return. Oh, I see. So it throws an error if you're out of bounds. I see. That does seem a little bit much if you just want to convert something. X-Man is lazy. I want it to be done for me. I mean, I don't use C++ too much, but yeah, usually it just converts it to an integer. It doesn't ask about minimum or maximum. You have to do that yourself if you want a minimum or maximum. I mean, usually you don't. So I'm not sure why that's required in C++. That sounds a little bit extra to me. A little bit extra. Okay, so we got our React app. I have to change the index.html to use the Twitch extension API thing. Let me grab the link. This thing, body. And I'm going to close my other VS Code terminal that's flying around over here. This one. Close that. And does it go in the head? It goes in the body. Okay. Put it down here. Between body tags. Okay, next setup. Okay, we can skip all that. We can go straight to npm start. npm start. Help me, I have school soon. Dude, I gotta go to work soon. That's also rough. That's the wrong port. Prison, school is prison, dude. No one wants to go to school, dude. School is the worst. I do not miss it. School was just a non-stop shit show. But the professors don't get paid anything, so I mean, what can you expect, really? What can you really expect? So I gotta change the port to 8080. Let's do that. Package.json. Start. React script starts. Okay. Restart this. npm start. Give me port 80. 80. Port is not recognized. Ah, shit, dude. I'm on Windows. That's right. Okay. Environment variables. Package.json on Windows. I think there's an easy way to do this on Windows. I just forgot what it was. Let's see. Let me go ahead. ChatGPT can do it. My biggest critique with school, at least here, is that it's too focused on testing your abilities constantly instead of improving your ability. True, dude. All they do is giving you tests. School is just a big test. Test. They don't care anymore because that's easy for the professors to do. They just hand out a test. They don't even change them. They just give you check marks. Like, and it's testing like memorization most of the time. So it's like, yo, memorization ain't gonna help with anything. You don't want to just be practicing you just want to be randomly memorizing a bunch of random stuff, dude. When I try to run an example, I get the following error messages. Okay, yeah, that's right. Make it cross-platform by using cross-environment. Let me see what ChatGPT says. In Node.js, you can use it to store configuration, set up environment windows, access environment variables, package.json. Yeah, but I'm on Windows. I can't do this thing. Apologize for the. You should use set command to set. Okay. The operator using concatenate commands on Windows Bash script. Okay, let's try. Let's just try this, and okay, we can do that too. npm run start. Is that gonna work? Oh, that did work. Did it? Oh shit, there we go. Okay, thank you, ChatGPT. And node, okay, cool. Nice. And now I can see if my Twitch extension is working. Let me see. Let me refresh. Hey, brothers. There you go. Okay, cool. I got a little nifty Twitch extension going on that just has a React symbol floating around. I suck at memorizing. It's my biggest pain. Like a majority of science are things that are not probably taught in the first place. Yeah, I can understand something in class. Forget it next week, and now all of a sudden I'm struggling. Yeah, dude. I mean, like, that's the issue. Like, if it's like information you have to memorize that you don't even want to remember, like you don't need for the rest of your to use in life or anything, it's just not useful. Sadly, the best way to approach that is literally just to cram at the last minute and then just like memorize it for the test and then forget about it. Because like if anyone wants to remember something, you can't just like study it one time. You have to like rehearse like multiple times to actually start getting the information stored in your long-term memory. And like sometimes you don't even want that. If it's information you don't even want stored in your long-term memory, like why would you even want to rehearse and practice? So you just end up cramming, and then that's how you get through school, is just cramming all the time, which is not fun, probably not very healthy if you have to like stay up late and study. And dude, it's a shit show. Like, let me show you graph for rehearsal and long-term memory. So let's see. There's a bunch of research on memory like this. Like, you can see how many times you need to rehearse something, and it'll tell you how long you remember that. On average, of course, but like the first time you study something, you probably forget it pretty fast. And like the second time you remember it for a little bit longer, the second time you rehearse something. So like, it's like, yeah, there's like, maybe if we go to images, Simon, how come you use so smart in creating the system? Bro, I'm telling you. Well, I mean, I have a bachelor's degree in psychology, so you know what I'm saying. I thought about this a lot while I was studying psychology, so I may know what I'm talking about just a little bit. We talked about memory a lot too, like memorizing stuff. So like, okay, here's the graph that I'm talking about. It's like, it's the forgetting curve. You remember you learn something for the first time, right? Where'd the graph go? Let me see if I can zoom in. You remember something for the first time, this is how fast you forget it. Like in 3 days, it's basically gone when you first study something, right? So what happens is like you study it, and then the next day is a test, and then like that's basically, if you want to like optimize not doing school, that's the way to do it. If you want to like remember something long term, then like you see the second time you learn something, the first rehearsal, you remember it for like a few more days, and then you rehearse it again, and then you remember it for a lot longer. So like one thing to keep in mind is like, after you rehearse something like the first time and you get to the second and the third times, you start adding the stuff you're learning into your long-term memory, and then you can see how the curve is like it's less steep, so you remember it for a lot longer. Like by the time you get to the third rehearsal, and also this spacing matters. Like you have to have this space in between. So like you have to learn it, and then you have to like forget about it. Like forgetting about it is actually kind of important for memorizing stuff. You have to learn something, and then you literally have to forget about it and study it again. And then it takes a little longer to forget that information the second time you study. So you have to wait a little longer until you do your next rehearsal. But yeah, that's basically how your memory works. Good to know. Good to know stuff. You know what I'm saying? Also, what I like about programming is that I can look things up as I need them. So I don't need to remember everything. Well, school tests do not allow you to look anything up, which is not even an accurate representation of skills in the real world. Yeah, pretty much, dude. Skills in the real world is basically looking information up. Like, that's literally the most important thing. I'm not even kidding. Most of the time, you're just trying to solve problems. Like, I'm at work, I'm trying to solve problems, and there's like two ways you can go about solving problems. There's three ways, I guess. You can try to figure out yourself. The second way is like you can ask your teammates for help, which is fine, but like you don't want to be asking your teammates for help all the time. You gotta like figure some stuff out on your own. So the last thing you're gonna have to be doing most of the time is trying to figure it out by looking stuff up. It shouldn't be the last resort. I mean, when I'm at work, I ask for help when there's someone on the team who's just like specialized in a certain area, and then they just have the answers. I'll ask for help in that situation. If there's something like that I should be figure out on my own, like it's in my area of expertise, and I really can't figure out what's going on, then I'll ask like a senior engineer if they can help me out. And yeah, it might be a last resort, but sometimes I'm just like I'm also just like trying to get people to think about issues early on also. So that's like hey, if we do this thing, we might mess up this stuff. What do you guys think about that? Is this something to worry about? So that's more like getting feedback. So that's like one way of asking for help. Like, yeah, I mean, like asking for help too much is like can get annoying. It could get annoying kind of fast. You want to try to figure stuff out on your own most of the time, I guess, if you can, and you want to try to be the one helping other people. I think my manager, like when I just started out, I was asking a bunch of questions at work, and like because I had no idea what was going on at all, and like my manager told me to like you can start figuring stuff out on your own now. I'm like okay, yeah. And she's like she told me that like if you can figure out like in 2 hours, just go ahead and try to figure out. If it's gonna take you like a week to figure out, then ask for help. That's fine. To me, I think that's a little too much. I mean, like, if it takes you just like a day to figure out, you should probably ask for help, because that's a lot of time just wasted. Because if you also think about it, the company is paying you in my case, it's not by the hour, but they're paying you for the work, and so every minute you're not getting work done is like time wasted, like money wasted by the company. So like if you're just wasting your time trying to figure something out when someone can just like figure it out right away for you, help you out, then To me, that's the better approach for the company. Hold up, my phone's going off. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. All right. Shit, it's 8 o'clock already. Okay, well, I got this like React extension thing going, so that's cool. I'm gonna try to hook this up to Motion eventually. By when I click on this, it'll be able to communicate with Motion somehow by sending chat commands to chat. And so that's gonna be I'll be working on this Twix extension for a little bit, maybe this week. This week might be focused on making this extension going, and I can create my simulation 3D virtual space so that we are truly immersed into the simulation. If you don't work, you don't get paid little. You don't get paid little. I mean, yeah, like I don't get paid by the hour, so I get paid the same no matter how much work I do. But eventually my manager's gonna get pissed. Yeah, I got yeah. Yeah, so there's that. I mean, like, I could try to convert what I make per hour salary. Is there like a salary to hour calculator? The calculator site, salary to hour. Let's see. 72 bucks an hour. Okay. Percent of US median salary? What does that mean? That doesn't even make sense. I guess I'm making over twice what the average salary is in the US. I guess that's pretty good. Do they compare which dev gets the most work done? Yeah, I mean, like, you get promotions and stuff if you're doing well. They try to track how much work you're doing, and then they can give you a promotion or a bonus based on the amount of work you're doing. If you're doing a really terrible job, they put you on something called, they PIP you, which is the performance improvement plan, and then like you get put on this like performance improvement plan if you're not doing enough work, and if you don't do the plan well enough, they kind of just lay you off. They're just like, you ain't doing anything, bro. You haven't done anything for the last month. What the hell are you doing? I'm Twitch streaming, bro. I'm Twitch streaming. You're in 10K per month. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be a lot. That's a lot of money. You can do with that much money. Dang, you can like start a family or something. I don't know. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know about starting a family, dude. In this economy, dude, it's rough. Anyways, yeah, thanks for coming to the stream, X-Men. Always a pleasure. I don't think anyone even came to my YouTube stream, dude. I'm just streaming to YouTube for nobody. I don't know. We'll see how that goes, because there's 36 hours per week in my high school if we subtract I skipped classes. Subtract classes. Nice. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, dude, that's the worst thing about schools. You don't even get paid. Like, what's the point of all that, dude? You're working all this much, you're not even getting paid, you're not making any money. You could apply. There's got to be a way to like put all that effort into an enterprise and then like make money somehow, get experience. Like, then like you can actually pay the teachers something. Everyone wins, dude. Everyone wins. Right now, there's all this effort being directed in memorizing stupid bullshit in school, and it's just worthless. There's so many creative ways you can do to direct students' effort into something really cool. I don't know what they're doing at school though, dude. It's rough. Let me check something out right here before I end the stream real quick. What's I gonna do? I was gonna check out. Okay, whatever. Well, I'm just gonna wrap up the stream here then. I think I was gonna go on YouTube and check out if anyone actually joined the YouTube stream, but I don't think so. Oh, I was gonna fix the chat overlay because I think it's like cut off a little bit. Does it get cut off on the bottom? A little bit cut off. That's weird. I can like expand it, but it doesn't actually expand. Also, what last message is, oh, the first message is at the last message is at the top of the chat thing. Huh, that's confusing. Well, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, thanks for listening to this. Thanks for coming to the stream. Yeah, I'll see you next time. This is the Simul Shift.